welcome back, and today we're making a blueberry tartalete. Don't they look perfect? You wanna make them too? Let's go. We're gonna start with making the dough from the Valentine's special. If you haven't checked it out, click here. After refrigerating this, start rolling it out to about 3mm thickness. Then cut a strip out for every tartalete you're gonna make, so I'm gonna make 6. Set the rest of the dough aside for later. Now line your rings with the dough. Press the dough firmly against the ring. And then cut off the excess. Once you're done lining the sides, we're gonna move to the bottom. You're gonna use the rest of the dough and just press it in. Then move them to a silpat and refrigerate for about an hour before baking. This is also the time you should start preheating your oven at 170 degrees. I use top and bottom heating. Then before baking, press some holes in the bottom and bake for 15 minutes. Now onto our filling. Start with 50 grams of heavy cream, 25 grams of sugar, 1 egg, and 25 grams of honey. Mix this together with a whisk. Meanwhile, increase your oven temperature to 200 degrees Celsius. Now moving on, grab 50 grams of cinnamon cookies, any brand you like, and just crush them into nice powder. By this time your tartalettes have cooled down, and it's time to fill them. Divide the cinnamon cookies evenly over the tartalettes. Now grab 140 grams blueberries and divide them too. Now grab your cream mixture and divide that too. Once they're filled up, put this in the oven for about 10 minutes. The tartalettes should be nice and golden brown. Now grab yourself 200 grams of blueberries and 50 grams of blueberry jam and mix this all together. This will be our finishing product. Once your tartalettes are cooled down, put some of your blueberries on and it's almost ready to enjoy. And just enjoy the look of that. And let's look at the cross section. What a beauty. What would you like to see next? Subscribe for more.